In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can create images with ChatGPT. By the end of this video, you will learn how to create hyper-realistic 4K images with ChatGPT. And also, you will learn how to enhance a prompt with the AI itself in order to make the prompt as specific and as detailed as possible to get as close as possible to the idea that you have for your image creation. Also, we will explore how we can enhance a draft or a sketch logo with ChatGPT and create a stunning logo with that sketch or draft that we already have. Another topic that we are going to explore in this video is that how we can change the image dimension and resolution, and also we will check how we can download the images that we created. So stay tuned guys, because we are going to learn a lot in this video. Now let's get started. Alright, to get the image generation start, the first thing that we have to do is to go to the chatgpt.com website. So I am now in the ChatGPT website, free version, and as you can imagine, I cannot create image without having an account into this website. So let's first create an account or log in if you already have one. I already have an account. I will log in and come back. Now that I'm logged in into my account in ChatGPT website, I can start creating image with this tool. In the interface, I can see a create image button. So I hit this button. I already can see some default prompt that I can use. For example, create an image for my presentation or an image for my pet, my website, etc., etc. So I will hit the second one, create an image of my pet. All right, I already have some back and forward conversation with this tool. So let's get back to my old chat and see what was going on there. Alright, as you can see, I already pressed the button, which we already did, and I mentioned that can you create an image of my pet? I'd love to have a fun and creative representation. And ChatGPT answered me that yeah, it would love to help me about this part, but I need to be as specific as possible and create a good prompt to tell the AI how to create that image. So I attached an image from my dog and also tried to be as specific as possible with my prompt and explained everything in detail, which the image that I want, the style, the color, the whole shaping of the image, I described everything. So let's see what happened. After that, ChatGPT created this beautiful image of my dog. As you can see, the character is surprisingly similar to the dog that I attached here, and it's a really cute image. After this, I wanted to do a different style, and I explained a different type of image, but unfortunately I couldn't get that image because these AI tools have some limitation which may result into not doing the job that we want. And because of that, ChatGPT was mentioning that it's not able to generate my image, but he can help me to do a different style that I want. So I said yes, please do so, and it created this image, but it's far away from the style that I wanted. But anyway, it did a good job to representing my dog in this picture as well, as you can see. The next step, I was going to try a different prompt. So I said, now create an image of my dog based on the following prompt. And here is the exact prompt, which is a vector illustration of a cheerful dog. And I was specific, which is my dog. And ChatGPT already knows my dog because I attached my dog picture at the first of the conversation. After that, I was as specific as possible with my prompt, and ChatGPT created this amazing illustration of my dog. And also, as you can see, it's really close to the face of the dog that I attached at the first of my conversation with this tool. At the end, if I'm going to go back and forward with this tool on a free version, I cannot do so anymore because it has a limitation of 3 images per day. So I already spent my 3 images with the free version. 1, 2, 3 image. I already created this. If I'm going to try a different one, so let's make it a bit more cheerful, for example. Now I can see that you've reached your image creation limit. Upgrade to ChatGPT Plus to try again tomorrow after 6:49 a.m. So I can somehow create image free, but it has some limitation. And as you saw, I only created 3 images, which means that you somehow can create 3 images per day. So let's go to the Plus version and see how we can continue this image creation with ChatGPT. So I will hit the plus button and I will upgrade my account to a Plus account, and we'll come back again and we'll explore it together. All right, I upgraded my account to a Plus version. So now let's check the Plus version and see how we can generate images with this account. So I will get back to the ChatGPT and hit the create image button again. So now let's go with another prompt. Create an image of a futuristic city. So now let's see what will happen. Because we chose the O1 preview, it cannot create an image. But if we choose GPT 4o, it will create the image. From here, I will change the model and let's see if it can generate the image. Yep. Awesome! We have a beautiful image of a futuristic city, which means that we can interact with ChatGPT to make it better or change it. So let's, for example, say that I want a moonlight style. Yep. It changed the image in order to have the moonlight style, and now it seems pretty cool. So that's basically it. You can create images with ChatGPT Plus, as many images as you want, but you have to be aware that the more specific you are with your prompt, the better images you are going to get. So let's try a different version and create this prompt with the
AI itself first and then pass the prompt
to the image generation and see what images we can get. So now let's get back to ChatGPT. I am going to create a new chat. This time I am going to tell ChatGPT create 5 enhanced prompt and describe a highly futuristic city, so I can pass it to an AI image generator to create awesome images. The prompts should describe totally different cities. All right, now we are going to get an enhanced and detailed prompt created by AI itself, and then pass this prompt to the image generation and get a specific image as possible. So let's copy the first one and go to the other and create a new chat and say create an image based on the following prompt. So now let's see what will happen. Yep, that's it. A really good image. So now let's try the other 4. All right, now I passed the new one and said now create this one, a vast underground city. And as you can see, the cities are really different because we told ChatGPT to generate different prompts. All right, really cool. Let's go back and copy the third one, pass it to the ChatGPT. From now on, it will understand that we only need images because we started the chat with image creation, and by default understand that when I pass a detailed prompt, it should create an image. Wow, that is fantastic. Really good image. Now the fourth prompt. This city is going to be built in the middle of a desert with a reflective sand colored building. Oh my god, this is absolutely gorgeous. Wow, this is how a desert city will look like in the future. All right, now let's try the last prompt and see what is up with this one. A futuristic city suspended in the sky, floating between layers of clouds. Oh, this one is on the sky and on the... Wow, I'm speechless. Actually, this is really beautiful. All right, that was pretty much it with the image creation with ChatGPT. Now let's try a different version of image creation. Let's imagine you found out a sketch from a logo on the web and you want to enhance that image and use it for your own. So let's do that. I'm going to search for logo sketch. For example, let's choose the first first one and just copy the image and going back to ChatGPT, create a new chat, and I'm going to paste that image here and say enhance this logo that I drew and convert it to a real logo for my business. Now let's see what ChatGPT will create for us. Wow, this is absolutely gorgeous and a really good drafted logo. We can absolutely use this for our business or any website that we are going to launch, and this is really good. Let's play with it a little bit more, make it colorful, and let's see what happens. Wow, another version, another good job of ChatGPT of creating this beautiful logo. You can play around a little bit more with this until you get what you want, or you just can download this from here, save it to your system, and yep, that's it. This is the image that I already created with ChatGPT. I can use this as my logo for my business or for my website. Now let's try a different way of creating image with ChatGPT. Let's say you already have a draft or a sketch or a design that you already created with your hand,
and you want to pass it to ChatGPT to enhance it and make it a little bit more better.
Let's try that. I'm going to create a new chat here and paste my image here, and let's say create a digital art from my draw. I'm really curious about the results. How about you? Well, not bad, but that's not the way I want it. So let's play a little bit more. Or maybe I wasn't too specific. I want the art on paper and colorful. If we were specific at the first time, we will get this exact result on the first try, not on the second and third try. Wow, this is absolutely gorgeous. The other way that we can use ChatGPT is to make it describe our image, and then from that description we will have a really detailed prompt which we can regenerate image by that. Let's try that. I am going to pass one of my own images which I created with AI. By the way guys, if you want to know how to create these type of images from yourself, please let me know in the comment and I will create a new tutorial for that. I'm going to pass one of these images to ChatGPT and let ChatGPT describe that image, and I am going to create a new image based on that description. I am going to create a new chat here and pass one of these images. So I'm going to tell ChatGPT to create a detailed prompt based on this image so I can pass it to an image generator. I will pass it here and see what will happen. Here is a detailed prompt. All right, now I'm going to copy this and pass to a new chat and see what will generate. I am really curious. Oh, that is absolutely gorgeous and really close to the photo that I just passed to that. So now let's see if it can just do more. So I'm going to pass this image. Now change the shirt color to green. I'm going to see if it can change the shirt color without changing the face, or let's see what happens. I'm really curious. Well, not too bad, but it changed the image. So let's try in a new chat. Maybe we should try in here. Change the shirt color to green. Well, it changed the shirt color to be fair, but it also changed the face. So if you're curious to see how we can change the color shirt or how we can change the face, please let me know in the comment section. So I will record a new tutorial for that specific topic, to how to change the shirt color or how to change the face actually. All right, now I got back to this chat which we created some futuristic cities. Let's see, for example, for this prompt, I am going to tell ChatGPT to make it 4K. The image size should be 4K. Let's see if it can create a 4K image. Here are two images of 4K images. So let's see if it's actually a 4K image. But as you can see, it's not as detailed of an HD image. Let's try a different version. So we are going to create a more detailed 4K image based on the prompt that we passed to the ChatGPT. Which prompt? The last prompt. It will always go through the last one. So here's a highly detailed 4K image of sprawling desert city. Well, actually the image size is not a 4K size, which means that we don't have a 4K resolution, but it's actually actually a really good quality. But there are some ways to make this image to have even more quality that it already have, and we can use third-party AI tools to do so. Let me know in the comment section if you want to create one tutorial about that part as well. Alright guys, that was it. Now you know how to create images with ChatGPT. There are absolutely more ways to create images with ChatGPT, but you should be a little bit more curious and creative to find them. If you have any question about any part of this video, send me the question on the comment section and I will try to answer all of you guys. Thank you for watching this video. See you on the next one.